Hi there everyone, and welcome back to another special episode of Chill and Trade TV. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. And if you're back here again, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And also, if you want to trade with a regulated FSCA broker, kindly click in the link in the description and down below, and it will take you directly to the site, and you can just register and open account as easy as possible. So in this week's video, guys, I want to take a look at Nasdaq and Gbpjpy. So currently, as you can see with Nasdaq on the daily time frame, price has been moving up. Let me go to the weekly just to show you something. As you can see, price has been pushing up for the longest time. So we are anticipating buys, guys. We are anticipating buys. Let me go back to the daily. So this is top-down analysis, guys. Top-down analysis. Usually started on the daily, but just wanted to show you guys on the weekly how the market has been moving. All right. So since we know that price is in an uptrend, guys, we should be looking for buy opportunities. Should be looking for buy opportunities. And as you can see, the market is currently in a corrective phase right now, which is this area here. So just want us to mark it that high and this low. So if I'll do that, it looks like it's a false breakout. It's a false breakout. So as you can see, price pushed up. Let me just do this. Price pushed up. It's in a corrective phase now. So we're looking for price to continue again to the upside, guys. That's just how Nasdaq has been performing or playing out, just the nature of the market. So now that we know that, let me just get rid of this so that we get a nice clean chart. Actually, let me just use this. All right, let me go to the 4-hour time frame, guys. Go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, price pushed aggressively to the upside. Like I said, this was seemed like a false breakout. So just gonna cater for this that low. Just gonna cater for that low. Just to include it, guys. Just to include it. Okay, let me just do this. Alright, guys. And um there's also a pattern here. There's also a pattern here if you'd like. We have this nice pattern here. We have this nice pattern here. Come on. So we can now confirm what we're looking for. I'm actually looking for buys on my side. Let me go down to my 1-hour time frame because this is where I usually take my entries. So as you can see, price pushed aggressively to the upside. So what I'm anticipating right now is to give me something like this. Just looking for a continuation pattern. Let me just do this. Zoom out a bit. Let me just zoom out. I am anticipating continuation patterns to the upside, guys, until those highs, and I'll be looking for a breakout of the patterns actually. The breakout of the pattern. Breakout of the pattern will give me more confirmation or confidence to enter. And we can actually see we also have a pattern again within this other pattern. We have a pattern within a pattern as well. In a pattern within a pattern as well, guys. So as you can see, this buys is what I am anticipating. But I don't want to do too many things and complicate. I'll remove the inner pattern. As you can see here, we have confluence here. With confluence here, nice confluence. So just this will just confirm. So if maybe you saw this earlier and took the trade at the low, I would say just keep holding, just keep holding, just keep holding. But on my side, I look for entry patterns. I look for entry patterns that will fully confirm my entries. So yeah, guys, that's it for Nasdaq. This is what I am anticipating this week. Um, this is in my watch list, so I'll be closely looking at this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell, guys. So let's go to Gbpjpy, guys. Gbpjpy. Let me go to the weekly and do the top-down analysis. As I like keeping my analysis very, very, very simple, straight to the point and short. I don't want to overcomplicate this thing, guys. So let me go to the monthly, actually, just to understand the flow of this pattern. I mean, the flow of this market. So as you can see, this is the monthly, guys. We do see that price pushed aggressively to the downside and it's currently okay, this thing is not cooperating now. Okay, price did push to the downside and this removes the monthly. It's currently in a corrective phase, might be reversing to the upside. We don't know. We'll just see what the market tells us. We'll just see what the market tells us. Remember, this is the monthly, so this is more investment trading. There's more investment trading, but nonetheless we can see I think once I go down to the daily, I'll skip the weekly and go to the daily now, just so we know what we are analyzing, how and where. Okay, let me go back to the weekly. Okay, so now that we have a nice clear view, so this one, guys, let me see, just gonna cater for the most high since this seems to be creating higher highs because of we have this first high, the second high. So currently anticipating price to create another high or to reach this high, and then we'll see what happens when the market gets here. We will see what happens when the market gets here, ladies and gentlemen. But for now, just identify our playground, cater for the most recent touches. So I will do this. So I will do this. I will do this, guys. I will do this. I will do this there. You can either do this or do that. You can either do this or do that. And then I think for here, since there's like a double bottom, there's like a double bottom, or some people might say it's a W. Either way, it's the same thing. There's also reversal pattern that indicates reversals, and price is pushing to the upside according to the pattern. So yeah, you can either just do this with the double bottom played out and then focus on this movement. on this movement. So let me just get rid of this so that we get a nice clean chart. Okay, all right, all right. I actually think it's better this way. All right, so now our focus is what's going on here, but I'll zoom in to the daily, as long as we know what the outer structure or pattern is. So that's how I analyze. I need to know where the market comes from to know where it's going. Where do I have this now? Let me just delete this. Like I always say, we might have different trading strategies or trading styles, but as long as we get the same direction correctly, that's all that matters, guys. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. At the end of the day, we want to make money from this. All right, as I said, this is our focus. So I can clearly see what is going on here, but I want to go to the 4-hour time frame so that it's better and much clearer. All right. All right. So again, guys, again, uh, every time the market is in a corrective phase, it continues to the upside. As you can see, I think I'm gonna start from, let me go back to the daily. I just wanna start from this low actually. This low. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Because this was the last corrective phase the market was in. So once it reached this low, it continued again to the upside. It didn't break the previous lows, which are these two. Which are these two lows? These are the lower lows. So price pressed up, gave us a nice corrective structure. And these were the last lows, not lower than these two lows, and then pushed up. So that's why I want to start from that low and focus from this low pushing up, and our focus is now back there. I hope that makes sense, guys, and it's not too much. It's not too much, not too much. All right, let me just get rid of this so that we are all on the same page, guys. I hope we're all on the same page, right? Okay. Now that we know where our focus is, let's go down to the lower time frame for our time frame, just to identify the pattern. Let me see. Two highs, those two highs, those two highs. We have that, and I think I'm just gonna copy this. Copy and see if we might get something. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. Here is something we are familiar with. Something we're familiar with. Something we are familiar with. But I think I want to cater for the most recent touches. So I'll do this one instead. I'll do this pattern instead. This one. Okay, cool. All right, let's move down to the 1 hour now. Now we can see clearly. We can see clearly now. We know what this pattern is. We know what this pattern is. And as you can see uh, within this price action, we can see that pushed up give us corrective structure, pushed up, corrective structure, pushed up, corrective structure. So obviously, guys, we're looking for another push up. So this is what the market is telling us. Personally, I trade what I see, not what I think. That's why I'm not really focused on. That's why I don't really trade news. I just trade price action. Some people say if you use the two, it will work out for you. But hey, at the end of the day, guys, we use what works for you. Use what works for you. That's the only thing I can tell you. Use what works for you, and don't get caught up in all the noise, guys. Just focus on what works for you and continue doing that over and over again. And trust me, you will see the results. You will see the results. So with me as well, just do what I know. Just do what I know. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. I don't want to think too hard when I come to this, guys. I think my thing froze. Okay, there. You're back. You're back. Sorry about that. If you noticed the freeze, but if you didn't, it's also good. It's also fine. So, like I said, on my side, guys, I'll be looking for a breakout. Let me see. Is there also a zone here? I think price also created a nice zone. Yes. Yes, there is also a zone here. Alright. So this is a bit faint. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, it's fine. I'll add it later. So what I'm gonna look for is a breakout. Gonna enter exactly at the breakout. And if I do miss the breakout, I'll anticipate. Okay, wait, let me do this. Looking for a breakout. If I do miss a breakout, I'll anticipate the retest, and then I'll enter the retest. Of course, there's also confluence here. These support, these resistance zones. First, gonna break diagonal resistance and horizontal resistance, and then go back to the diagonal and horizontal support. And then I can also enter here and then continue to the upside. Or if I do get this breakout and then price also goes back for the retest, I'll enter again, guys. I will enter again, and then my stop loss will be slightly below that zone, slightly somewhere there, slightly there. And then I'll look to, let me go to, I'll be looking to buy all the way until, let me go back. I'll be looking to buy all the way until this high, guys. That's my target. That's my target. That's my target and my forecast. So we'll just wait for price to play out accordingly. And I will end. I will enter, guys. So yeah, that's it from me, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on that notification bell. I did say this previously in the video. We might have different trading strategies or styles, but if the same direction is good, then guys, let's kill the market. So until the next video, this is Chill and Trade TV. Peace.